How to make money with an e-commerce website 2024. In order to adapt to shifting demands, more and more businesses are wading into the world of e-commerce. Although it can seem daunting at first, once you learn the ins and outs, e-commerce can be a profitable venture. As a full-service digital marketing and website development company with years of experience in building profitable e-commerce sites, in this video I will show you some guidelines to follow to get your site to start generating revenue as quickly as possible. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. Let's dive in. 1. Create a blog that draws visitors. Perhaps the most effective way to conduct inbound marketing is to create and keep an active blog that draws visitors to your e-commerce website. Your marketing plan should contain an analysis of your customer's research journey, which involves thinking about what prospective customers are looking for and questions they are asking. Your blog should address these points. The result is increased traffic to your website, and more visitors converting to customers. 2. Take advantage of shopping ads. If your e-commerce site is new, you need sales now. The best way to generate immediate sales is through the use of paid ads that target your customers. Product-specific ads, specifically Google Shopping ads, target your ideal customer, as do remarketing ads. 3. Automate your marketing emails. The more you automate your e-commerce and marketing processes, the faster your company will grow. It takes a little time to set it all up, though you'll be glad you did. For example, you can automate your process for sending email follow-ups based on customer profiles and interaction. Automating that process keeps up communication with customers while freeing your resources for other activities. 4. Invest in the right platform. Take the time to research platforms before you select one. Think about the current scope of your company as well as where you hope to be in the future. You will want a platform that can grow with you. One popular platform is WooCommerce. It's open source and works in partnership with WordPress. Another platform used in larger e-commerce sites is Magento. When placed in the skilled hands of the developers at our e-commerce website design company, these powerful platforms can transform your site into a seamless and lightning-fast shopping experience. 5. Take stock in search marketing. Another way to boost your e-commerce site is to invest in search marketing. If you don't yet know about search engine optimization, SEO, now is the time to learn. You'll need to know the best keywords for your industry and niche before you open your shop. 6. Learn to leverage Facebook and Instagram. Once you have your e-commerce website open, waste no time in getting the word out to social media. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram are critical marketing tools no matter what products or services you sell. For Facebook, once you set up your business page, you can create and run ads that link to your business page or directly to your store. Populate your Facebook ads with engaging content related to your niche products. With Instagram marketing, establishing relationships with influencers who will promote your products can be beneficial. Hope you enjoy the video and you may start making money from e-commerce. Online money needs persistent commitment and focus. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video.